And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera. Looking towards the northeast there, you can see Galbraith School in the distance there. Sunshine is what we're looking at right now, mainly sunny skies. And while you're looking at that picture and the current conditions that pop up, just a reminder that the fluoride-free Lethbridge meeting is tonight at 7 p.m. at the main branch of the library in the community meeting room. Just an information and a chance for a Q&A about fluoride, your choices, what it means, that sort of thing. So if you want some information, head down there tonight at 7 o'clock. West winds at 44 kilometers per hour right now. It has been windier than that today, and our humidity is tampered down to 29% right now. So we're not looking at any precipitation on this side of the Continental Divide, but you folks in southeastern BC are looking at that mixed snow rain precipitation over the next 24-48 hours. Low pressure center off the BC coast is trying to make inroads. So that's where that conflict in the forecast information for Saturday comes. The question is, are these bands of precipitation going to be able to override the area of high pressure that's locking into southern Alberta and bring some of that precipitation on this side of the mountains? Right now, it looks like that won't be the case, but some of the forecast models are putting in some flurry activity. So by tomorrow, we should have a better idea of what the water vapor density maps are on the west end of the Continental Divide, so that we can see how much precipitation is left to still come across to this side, if any at all, by Saturday. But certainly for the weekend, for Saturday, we're looking at cooler temperatures and cloudy skies for sure. But we do have this area of high pressure right here, right now, and we do have that mixed precipitation in pink. So some areas are getting this shower activity, and then higher elevations are getting the snowfall. So areas like Creston, Cranbrook, Revelstoke, you can expect to see some flurry activity and some light snow and possibly some light rain showers in your forecast future for the next couple of days. -5 degrees in St. John's right now. We've got various amounts of snow activity happening all through eastern Canada, but still the main weather feature is the wind chill values, and they're affecting southern Quebec, parts of the Maritimes as well. Overnight tonight we'll have intense wind chills. And then in Winnipeg, we're looking at -15 degrees right now, some blowing snow there. Snowing in Regina, snowing in Saskatoon today. Sunny in Edmonton at -3 degrees, 3 in Kelowna right now, 7 and cloudy and showery right now in Vancouver. And then they managed to see some sunshine in Whitehorse and Yellowknife. And Yellowknife's temperature is about 7 degrees warmer than what it was at this time yesterday. So for us, that's a big jump. For them, I guess not so much. For East Kootenay, you're looking at an overnight low of -1. There's your flurry activity tonight. Chance of showers mixed with flurries and the odd ray of sunshine tomorrow. So a real mix for you. Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy tonight. Windy tonight, down to -3, up to 4 degrees tomorrow. Not quite as windy tomorrow. For Medicine Hat, looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, down to -5, up to +5 tomorrow, and a sun and cloud mix. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at windy conditions occasionally overnight tonight, down to -4, and then tomorrow, sun and cloud mix. 6 degrees for a daytime high with a southwest wind at 20 kilometers per hour. And there is your 5-day forecast. And you can see we do take a bit of a temperature dip as we get into Saturday and Sunday at 1 degree, but 1 is average for this time of year for the Lethbridge region. And then we start to pull up. It looks like Monday or Tuesday, temperatures of 6 or 7 degrees on the positive side. So we've got a good stretch of temperatures. It's just that anomaly on Saturday. We could see a little bit of flurry activity make its way across, but as I said, we're just going to keep a check on those weather maps to see how much precipitation is still left in that cloud bank by this time tomorrow, and that'll be a good indicator of whether or not we will be seeing flurries as we get into Saturday here in Lethbridge. Now, is your diet causing those headaches? A lot of people have what they call an addiction to chocolate. For some people, it doesn't affect them at all. For other people, it does. Chocolate contains a chemical referred to as PEA that can constrict and expand blood vessels, and that can cause headaches. So if you're experiencing that and you have a real love for chocolate, you might want to have a chat with your physician. And that's our tip for today, brought to you by Draffen's PharmaSave. Have a good evening, everyone.